Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're doing well. As you can probably tell from my excitement and what's behind me, we've got something really cool in today. It's a Pagani Huayra Roadster. But the cool thing about this is right-hand drive, and there's only probably about 4 or 5 of them currently in the UK. Very unique, a very bespoke car, and have a look at it. I'll tell you what we're doing with it now. So probably you agree with me, there's a lot of cool details with this car. A lot of crevices, a lot of lines. And, I mean, the shape of it is absolutely stunning, especially with these areas at the back, how they curve up. The back area where you can see this amazing AMG engine in the background. It just looks absolutely phenomenal. But phenomenal and a nice design doesn't always mean the easiest when it comes to paint protection film. So with this, the team have had a bit of difficulty to try to make sure that every single part of this car is protected, and also aesthetics are kept to the highest level. And what we had to do with this one is, obviously this is the first car that we see, which is a Roadster, so we're actually patterning it from scratch. So again, I go reiterate, we don't use patterns that are off the shelf. To be fair, I don't think there's many patterns off the shelf because it's such a unique car. But that's what we know for. So we're making a tailor-made PPF suit for this, and then after that, we're going to go into, once it's done, once we've tailored it and we've made sure that the patterns fit perfectly, it'll go through the detailing stages. It'll get paint correction done, make sure the paintwork is absolutely perfect prior to the film going on. Film goes on, happy days. It's ready to go out onto the road, and I think the customer actually going to be driving this on the gumball. The next gumball rally that's happening, it's going to be on there. So as you can imagine, it needs protection, especially at the front, because this thing is fast. So it's one of those things I'm looking forward to seeing it on the road. But yeah, let me show you the process of what's going to happen. Due to the fact it's actually a Roadster, the car has been totally redesigned. Not like usually where you have just the roof bits that are different. This car is actually, majority of it is actually different. So we've had to repattern and redesign every single panel of this car.
And there it is. That was a wrap of the video of the Pagani Huayra Roadster, one of the very first in the UK, one of the first being done with paint protection film. Got the design now, got the pattern, so on to the next one that comes in. But really enjoyed that, really enjoyed the process. Really cool looking car, amazing, stunning color. But anyway, more importantly, I want to see what you think. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, but also comment down there, and let me know if you like what you saw. More videos to come.